Your job is safe, your finances aren't. You think your job is safe. Your paycheck arrives every month. Everything feels stable. Predictable. Comfortable. But your finances? They are not safe. Prices keep rising. Everything costs more. But your salary stays the same. You work harder. You do your best. You give your time. Your energy. Your life. And in return, the money disappears. Rent. Bills. Debt. Nothing left. But your job feels secure. You trust the company. But companies change. Markets change. And life changes. Your job may survive. But inflation doesn't care. Savings matter. Small actions matter. Learning matters. Growth matters. Money must grow. Even slowly. Control what you can. Automate discipline. Start small. Be patient. Build stability. Create protection. Now your job is support. Not your only hope. Security comes from assets. Not just income. That's real safety. Same job. Different mindset. Different strategy. One paycheck is risky. Your job may be safe. Make sure your finances are too. Start protecting your finances today.